Alright, I just went to Target and picked up some ink applicators, we're going to call them here, or alternative ink applicators. I don't know if they're alternative or if they should be I don't know, the kind of foundational ones, because we can find these types of things everywhere. 100% cotton balls. Now, I've been using my cotton balls, but these ones are really, really cheap. I just got them at some kind of grocery store, I don't know, year and a half ago or something like that. But the cotton is, the balls are kind of, I don't know, it's almost like seconds or something like that. I needed something that would have a little bit more, I don't know, kind of stability and form to it, okay? Because when I'm applying my inks, it just, I don't know, my other ones feel like they're falling apart. I don't know, they were good, and I'll still use them, but, these things are so cheap. It's, what is it, like $1 for, 100 of these, and it lasts forever. Okay, now, while I was there, you might be kind of aware of these types of things, infused cotton rounds, I don't know, they're infused with something, I don't know, probably lotion or something, I don't know, whatever. Jojoba. But I thought these 100% cotton pads would be good to apply ink as well, so it's worth a try, and, these things are really inexpensive and whatnot. I'm going to try them on my next scene. And I just wanted to get some plain sponges here. Great for ink applications, especially if you're using re-inkers with these, and you can cut them down, too, into smaller forms. I would think, for me, cutting one, there's 4 of these in here. But a lot of the sponges that we have at home had that scouring pad on one side. I don't need that, of course. So I'm thinking thirds of these would be perfect for me in terms of the size. And I know sponges work really well. You want something that's going to absorb really well so that it absorbs your media and then it can transfer media. Okay, so if it's not something that's going to be very absorbent like a synthetic fiber, which wicks moisture away, and it's like working the opposite of what you really want it to do. The natural fibers seem to work the best. Now, I don't know if this is the natural fiber or anything, but it's certainly designed to absorb. Okay, so things like paper towels, sponges, cotton, whatnot. Made from 100% plant-based fibers, so I don't know what that means in terms of the materials of it, but really great absorbent materials, and therefore the transfer of liquid media would be really fantastic with these. So I have other videos on household items and whatnot, but this is the first time that I've really gone out and purchased some things specifically for what I've been doing, especially over this last, I don't know, maybe 2 years or so. I don't know if it's been that long since, my beloved Colorbox stylus tools were discontinued because ClearSnap's just not around any longer. So these are really great for that. But, with those not being around, we can go back to things. It's almost like found objects or something like that. You can get these anywhere in the world. That's what I like, using. I liked using my Colorbox stylus tools, but you can't find those. They weren't even readily accessible back when they were around. Not a lot of people used them for that, but these types of things you can find anywhere. So I've been trying to use more of that type of media applicator over this last, I don't know, year or so, or whatever it's been. And I don't know, I'm finding them working just fine. And these are the types of things that we were using pre, rubber stamp specific accessories, early 90s, to the 80s or whatnot. So paper towels and whatnot, something like this. Okay, so anyways, can't wait to use these. Looking forward to it, and giving these ones a try, which I haven't done before. Okay.